Welcome back, everybody, to another episode of Unboxing Things and taking forever to do so. In this episode, we have the CPU. What a reveal! You couldn't see it before.
I'm so surprised.
Okay, well, as you can see here, we got our nice Victorian candelabra. Yes, those are real diamonds, thanks for asking. Hashtag stunting. Stuntin'?
Oh, jeez.
It's hard to say. So yeah, this is a very small, expensive box. This is a Core i7-7700K. That's not how you say that, but that's how I'm gonna say it. I think the guy that made the box and that made the plastic underneath the box obviously aren't friends, because someone didn't put this in the correct spot. I'm not sure why they messed that up, but I don't know. Sometimes things are hard, you know? So I'm not going to remove this any more than that, but this is a very small, very expensive part that I really don't want to mess up. Now the clock speed, that is significant here. It is... what is it? It's like 3.5 or 3 point something. Anyway, it's pretty good. Now, I was going to get the newer version, the 8700K, but that one doesn't fit on my motherboard, unfortunately. So, yeah, I got the less new version, the 7th gen instead of the 8th gen. And so that's just what we're gonna have to deal with. Now, for the CPU cooler, I got an aftermarket one. I don't actually think I did a video about this, but here it is. It is the Hyper 212 EVO, or AVO. Ivo. Something like that. It's pretty beefy. It's 10 out of 10.
Oh.
Very beefy. It's very spinny too. Oh yeah, extra spinny. And apparently this is a pretty good thing if all the copper is connected. I was reading up about that. It's pretty cool. You want all your copper pipes to be all connected together. I guess it makes it better and makes it work better. Yes. And yeah, so this will go on top of that, and it'll blow air over that and cool it down and keep it from exploding, which is always a bad thing for computers to be able to do. This actually does come with thermal paste. Yes, thermal paste inside of this. I don't know if it's good. Please let me know if it is, because I'm not entirely sure if I want to get a completely different thermal paste or not. If no one says anything, I'm just going to put it on there and see if it works or not. Hopefully it should be good though. But yeah, that should be it for this episode. Not too much else. Yeah, CPU cooler, very good. That should be all of the unboxing videos that we will do before we start putting things together, which should be in the next episode, which will be fun. So yay. Yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye now.